Optimal staffing. Present B. Mariana Gerardo Correa. Introduction to optimal staffing. Optimal staffing is an important process in human resource management. It ensures that the organization has the right number of employees with the necessary skills and abilities to reach its goals. Good staffing improves productivity and efficiency and helps employees feel motivated and satisfied. Therefore, optimal staffing is key for the sake of any organization. Definition of optimal staffing. The optimal staffing is defined as the process of determining and maintaining the appropriate number for employees with the necessary skills to efficiently achieve an organization objectives. In other words, it means having the right number of workers in the right position and at the right time, avoiding both excess and shortage of staff. Main objective to ensure that the company has enough qualified human resources to carry out its activities without generating unnecessary costs or affecting productivity. Importance for optimal staffing. The importance for optimal staffing lies in ensuring that an organization has the right number for employees with the necessary skills at the right time and in place. This guarantees the proper function of the company and the achievement of its goals. Key points: operational efficiency means doing the work on time and well. Cost reduction helps save money and use people better. Increase productivity. More work is done with the right people. Job satisfaction. Workers feel happy and less stressed. Goal achievement. The company reaches its goals. Adapt- Adaptability to change. The company can change fast and easy. Key benefits of optimal staffing: higher productivity. Having the right people helps the company work better and faster. Better work quality. Better work quality. Skilled workers do their jobs with care and excellence. Cost reduction. Fewer mistakes and the right number of staff save money. Positive work environment. Good staffing makes employees happy and motivated. Lower employee turnover. People stay longer when they feel valued. Better cost, better customer service. And now trained staff means happier customers. Greater adaptability. The company can change and grow more easily. Goal achievement. With the right team, goals are reached faster. Key factors for optimal staffing. Job needs analysis. Identify how many employers are needed in which areas and with what skills. Job profile. Define the duties, responsibilities, and skills required for each position. Proper staff selection. Choose candidates with the best technical and soft skills for the job and company culture. Conclusion. The optimal staffing is essential for the success for any organization. It ensures that each position is filled by the right person at the right time and with the necessary skills. Effective management for staffing allows companies to make the best use of human talent, improve productivity, reduce costs, and strengthen the work environment.